Hello, Paul here for WhisperKOOL Wine Cellar Cooling. In this video, we'll take a look at an exciting new cooling unit, the Phantom series. We'll talk about the features and benefits of this model, as well as the installation and thermostat options. As always, WhisperKOOL recommends that you consult a wine cellar professional for specific advice on best practices for wine cellaring. This Phantom 8000 is a robust unit, and it cools wine cellars up to 2,000 cubic feet. It's the largest of the Phantom series, which also includes the Phantom 5000, which cools wine cellars up to 1,250 cubic feet, and the Phantom 3500 for wine cellars up to 800 cubic feet. The Phantom is a fully ducted cooling unit, so as its name implies, the first benefit of this unit is that you won't see it or hear it in the cellar. It's a cellar specter hiding out of sight, but always working to keep your cellar at the optimal temperature and humidity for the proper aging of fine wine. The Phantom is a self-contained cooling unit, and that really simplifies the installation. There's no line set between the evaporator and the condenser, so you don't have to have a licensed HVAC technician install it for you, although WhisperKOOL does recommend one. This unit has a 55-degree temperature differential, so the installation environment can be as chilly as 42 degrees or as hot as 110 degrees, and the Phantom will still keep the cellar at 55 degrees. I've mentioned that the Phantom is fully ducted, and this has some great advantages and offers additional installation options. You can mount the unit in the attic above the wine cellar or in an adjacent room up to 25 feet away. Also, by removing the exterior metal panels, the Phantom's powerful blowers can be reoriented to the right, left, or top of the unit. This allows you to install the unit with virtually any ducting configuration. Another fantastic benefit of a fully ducted unit is the low noise level in the cellar. With a fully ducted unit, all you'll typically hear is the air as it moves in and out of the cellar. With the Phantom series, you get all of the latest and greatest technology that you've come to expect from a forward-thinking company like WhisperKOOL. This is the KDT Plus, the controller you'll see on our newer cooling units. It has a sleek, modern design and a simple, intuitive user interface that makes it easy for you to control the temperature in your cellar. The KDT Plus has a wall mount bracket or a flush mount bracket for a more streamlined look. You can set the temperature, check alarm notifications, and control the settings for the all-new anti-frost cycle that helps keep ice from accumulating on the evaporator coil. This unit can be purchased with a 24-volt thermostat conversion kit that lets you monitor your cellar environment from a smartphone or PC, depending on which thermostat you choose. You can view current conditions, monitor runtime and energy usage, and with some thermostats you can set alarm notifications. Here's everything you'll receive when you order the Phantom 8000. The shipment includes a cooling unit, the duct plenums, the KDT Plus controller, and a bottle probe. The KDT Plus controller and the bottle probe both come with 50-foot cables. If you've selected the optional 24-volt thermostat conversion kit, the shipment will include only the unit and the duct plenums. You'll need to purchase a 24-volt thermostat separately. WhisperKOOL does not supply 24-volt thermostats. Like all WhisperKOOL wine cellar cooling units, the Phantom is assembled and tested in the USA at our Stockton, California manufacturing facility. And most importantly, the Phantom comes with WhisperKOOL's best warranty, a full 5 years on the compressor and a 2-year warranty on the rest of the unit. Thanks for joining me to learn about WhisperKOOL's newest cooling unit, the fully ducted Phantom. We've talked about the flexible installation options, the near-silent operation in the wine cellar, and the new modern KDT Plus controller. If you have any questions about which Phantom is right for you, go online to whisperkool.com and check out the Cellar Wizard. Just answer a few questions about the size, temperature, and construction of your wine cellar, and the wizard will recommend the proper size cooling unit. And please watch our other instructional videos on wine cellar cooling. See you next time.